Hello! Thank you so much for the introduction. Today we have something stinky.
Dinosaur poo-poo.
Today we're doing dinosaur poo-poo. That's right. It's called a coprolite. Can you say coprolite?
Coprolite.
Hey, that's actually really good. So coprolite is actually fossilized poop. It's been around for millions of years, stinking up this planet. We're gonna take a look at poop. Wait a minute. What's in my pockets? I have more poop! Here, how about you hold this one? And you can hold this one. And I have a third sample of a coprolite here under the microscope. Does yours stink? Can you smell it and tell me if it stinks? Oh, he doesn't look too happy. Does yours stink? No, it doesn't stink. It smells pleasant? Oh, well, that's good. I've never seen pleasant smelling poop, but there's a first for everyone. So let's look at the poop under the microscope. Let's begin at 5x. 5x, here we come. Whoa! What do you think about that? You love it? It does look like concrete. Hey, that's a good observation. It's a little blurry, guys, because poo-poo doesn't have a really flat surface like gemstones do. And so the microscope kind of has a hard time focusing in. So why don't we go to the next one, 10x, and let's investigate that a little bit better. That's much better. Now it looks like rocks. Yeah, in some ways you're actually right. Fossilized poo-poo has absorbed minerals over the ages, and now it's hardened and become extremely tough. Oh my gosh. He took that quite literally. Let's not break that stinky poo-poo. Wow. So coprolite is actually derived from an ancient Greek word. It means...
My poo-poo fell in.
Oh no. Anywho, it means dung or stone. Because it actually really turns into a hardened stone over time. Oh no, these critters lost their poo-poo. And we're back. We found the stinky poo-poo that fell on the floor. Let's continue to 20x because I really like this coprolite. 20x, here we go. Whoa, now we're getting...
Dark cave.
It looks like a dark cave. It somewhat does.
That looks like broccoli.
It looks like broccoli.
It's like raspberry.
Okay, you might be slightly off in your analysis, but who knows? Maybe he's right. It's a little bit red and brown and black. You're absolutely right about that. So one interesting thing is sometimes we can't see a dinosaur eating because the dinosaurs are gone. But we can analyze their poop to determine what the dinosaurs were eating. What do you think this dinosaur was eating? Grass? That's right. What was this dinosaur eating? Poop.
It was eating trees and grass.
Trees and grass. That's a good analysis. And you think the dinosaur was eating?
Poop.
Poop.
Leaves and grass.
You silly monkey. So there's 20x, guys. Let's go to the final frontier. 50x will really show us all we need to know about this poop. 50x, here we go.
It looks like concrete has dried up.
That's actually very close to it. The poop was soft, but over time it absorbed minerals and it became like a stone. And that's why they call it... Poo-poo does go in the toilet. You're absolutely right. These dinosaurs did not flush their toilet. Now we have their poop in our hands. What do you know? So there you are. What was your favorite part of the dinosaur poop, of the coprolite? You like the inside of the coprolite? Okay. Well, we didn't really break it apart to look inside, but hey, maybe he thinks we went inside. That's a good observation. That's right. So there you go, folks. Join us next time.
Oh, we explored.